mantras are the sound emanation of a Buddha's 3 aeons of ethical conduct, virtue, practices, asceticism. Can you imagine that? So every time you chant Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Arabasa Nadi, Om Benzapani Hum, Om Tari Tu Tari Tori Soha, Migme Teve Techin Chenenzik, Remake Om Bo Jambe Yang, Dufo Mayu Jomsen Sameda, Anchin Kebe Jujin Zongava, Losang Trabi Shabla so on there. Teata Bekansi Bekansi Maha Bekansi Bekansi Ransa Samakati Soha. Teata Kate Kate Para Sangati Poti Ye Soha. When you Maya Chatsa Soha, when you recite that mantra, you are using the power of your speech, and through that gateway to invoke upon the Buddha's 3 aeons of countless practice, virtues, and merit to go into you. Now, mantras are words of power. Why are they power? Power for what? Power to transform our delusions, power to transform our unhappiness, power to transform our hatred, our impatience, power to transform everything in our mind that makes us unhappy and negative and evil and rotten people, and to find the real us, kind, compassionate, altruistic people. So when we recite mantra, it is to counter delusions based on the sound coming from the power of 3 aeons of practice of the Buddha. Does everybody understand that? That is one way that it helps us.